Wow.
Hey guys, so today we're going to see what's inside my box. My baby sister really wants to see it. Someone gave it to us in our mail.
All right, let's see. Oh, what's inside?
It's cars. Guys, so today we're going to try this thing that someone gave to us in our mail. This is actually a bowl of cars, and this is a little thing that says, "Open, try me." Let's try to open it. Okay, so in the outside there has a little picture of the cars. On the other side, you'll see all kinds of things you could do with it. And this side, you can see little soldiers. And the back, this is a big truck. It has cars in the right in front, and then it's showing you that there's a car launching out in the front. So now this says ages 3 up. Okay, let's open it now. Ready? Set, go! What's inside, guys? Here it is. You have little cars. You have the one with some tools on the top. And this one's a little firefighter truck, and this is a helicopter. And this one's the same thing as this. You put stuff on it. And this is, I bet it's connected to this. Yes, it is. And that's it. So next we have, first we have another firefighter truck. And we have a truck that has a little hang thing on it. And we have a glass on the front, but instead of white glass, we have yellow glass. We have a little vet. And second, we have a little car that has lights. Big rook. This is a big rook. This is the... So this is what the car looks like when it's supposed to. This is how I told you to do it. And this is the name of the truck that they put on here.
Yummy. Beep, beep.
And we found this capsule. And this is a little stuff we found earlier. Now we're back in the video. We learned something. When you put a car in here, they should blast. It's going to be cool. I think that you could actually put those soldiers in here. So let's put them in here. So now we're going to dump all these soldiers in. So what it's supposed to do is you carry your soldiers around. And let's count how many cars we have. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Those are the cars that we have. They look really cool. do it again, it's gonna go farther. Isn't that cool, guys? And even when you do this way, so we have a little fire magnito having a little fire tool. And we even have another one. And I'm gonna spray the camera. It even has a little pickaxe to break the door so it can save people. And we have another firefighter has a rope. And our next one has a little thing. You know, guys, every shop has a little spray thing to put out the fire.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. And we have a director. And we have the speaker man. So next we're gonna have a fireman. Next we're gonna have a fireman holding glow sticks. And that's all the firemen we have. Our new toys. I really love them. They're really awesome. There's a fire. Go down my ladder. Okay, let's get out. It's not sleeping time. I'm going out. Me too. So let's get I'm gonna get the firefighters up from the little machine. They're about their trying to wake up from their sleep last time. Firemen, you know the drill. Going down the ladder. Okay, levers in that building. Get out right now. I'm putting out the fire.
Surprise! Hey, so doctor.
Helicopter.
Doctor.
Wow. I bet. Let's see it fly. How does it fly?
Hey, look.
What's that?
Green.
Oh. Boom.
Hey, look.
Wow. So many trucks. Boom, boom.
There's one more.
Hey, look.
Wow. Firefighter truck. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. What else is there?
Firefighters.
Firefighters.
Look.
Wow. That's a person.
A fire.
Fires.
Oh
Uh-oh. How do we fix it?
no. There's fires.
Oh, no.
There's big truck.
We need the fire rescue truck.
Uh-oh. Look.
Helicopter.
Doctor.
It's red trucks.
Where we go? There.
Oh, there they are.
Fire truck.
Fire trucks. Firefighters.
Fire.
Whoa. Firefighter down. Firefighter down.
Uh-oh. You can buy this toy on Amazon, guys. Check the description. Thank you, whoever sent this toy. I loved it. It's pretty nice, and we'll keep it safe. Today we're gonna have a special guest, Uncle Manuel. He has a car just like this, and it's red too, and it's big. This is Uncle Manuel, so we're gonna ask him a few questions, and then that will be the end of the video. But we're gonna check out his car. What's it like to be a truck driver, Uncle Manuel?
Hey Gabriel, good morning. It's a good career. And as you see trucks on the road every day, we just got to be careful and watch out for each other. And it's a good career.
How big is your truck?
My truck personally is a 18-wheeler, which is a truck and trailer. I have a 53-foot dry van trailer that I pull every day, and sometimes a refrigerated trailer. So it just depends. There's all different size trucks, as you can see by the toy you have here.
Does it hurt your ears on the horn?
Sometimes it hurts, but most of the time it doesn't. No.
The truck drivers wear.
Well, we always have to wear a safety vest, and of course now with the coronavirus, we have to wear the masks and gloves. But yeah, I mean boots, work boots, a hard hat. I'll show you when we go to my truck. Do you want to just come out to my truck and we'll suit up and see what's up out there?
Yes,
Let's
please.
go. Here we are. Are we recording?
Yeah.
Here we are at my truck with Gabriel, and we're gonna suit up for safety. I know it's a little big, but we'll make it work. And then we have a hard hat for him for safety reasons. Turn around.
Wow.
Let's adjust it a little bit. Is that better, bud?
Yep.
All right, so we'll bring Gabriel up to the cab of the truck, and then remember how I told you to grab her here? There you go.
Oh my God, these are my glasses.
And there we are. You can see him going into the passenger side. And there he is, and on the passenger side as a co-pilot.
Yeah.
So this is my office that we got Gabriel in here today. Come over here and sit down right here. And there's just a few things you got to watch for, and that's mostly the mirrors. And just keep an eye on your surroundings, and then whenever there's any issues, there's the air horn. Go ahead and pull it, Gabriel. That's my safety horn right there, and it's custom made. But that's about it. It's all about safety.
Wow, Emma
Let me see,
too?
Emma.
Wow.
Here, put it on. Let me see.
Hey.
Do it again.